Hello and welcome to Nagaland TV. You are watching a special story. In politics, there is a saying that nobody is a permanent friend or a foe. This was proven again when Maharashtra's political scenario witnessed a twist. The twist came after former Maharashtra CM and BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis remarked that BJP and Shiv Sena are not enemies. We have a special report which gives an insight of the equation among the two parties. The talks between Shiv Sena and the Bharatiya Janata Party, which could lead to realignment in Maharashtra, are believed to be the reason in holding up the cabinet expansion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As per reports, a possible deal in discussion is for Devendra Fadnavis to move to Delhi as a minister in PM Modi's cabinet. However, BJP claimed that the delays in the cabinet expansion are not linked to the Maharashtra developments. As far as Uddhav Thackeray is concerned, his throne will be secure as he will continue to serve as the chief minister with two deputies from the BJP. The BJP sources, however, denied this, claiming that the delay in the cabinet expansion is not because of the current Maharashtra developments. Mr. Fadnavis too has categorically denied any such move and insists he will remain in Maharashtra. According to BJP sources, the talks between both parties is still on. If the two parties come together, the Shiv Sena can be adjusted in the cabinet later, they further informed. The BJP and Shiv Sena were allies for 25 years before their split over power sharing in Maharashtra. National Desk, Nagaland TV. This is Gargi Deka signing off. Keep watching Nagaland TV.